Okay, today I'm going to show you how to test an antenna cable. Here's an LMR400 antenna cable, terminated with 2 N male connectors. And you can test an antenna cable with a basic multimeter. We've got a multimeter here, and basically you put it onto the lowest ohm setting you can find. In this case it's 200 ohms. You can also put it onto diode and continuity check there too if you want. Okay, we'll leave it on diode and continuity check. Now first of all, if you can just hold that there for me. That's right. We're going to get the two leads and test the meter's continuity is working. So we put them together. You can just hear that meter bleeping a little bit. It's showing 004. Okay, that's what you get when the leads are connected together, or there's continuity. If you take them apart, it goes like that. It shows 1 point. Okay, there's 3 measurements you need to make. You need to test the 2 inner pins to inner pin, and you need to test the outer to outer, and then you need to test between the inner and the outer. So the first test, and this is the most tricky because you've got to get the probe onto the inside pin, which is normally gold, and you've got to just touch that without touching the outside. If you've got a bit of a shaky hand, it's quite tricky. I've got that one on there, it's just touching the inside, and I've got it on here, and you can see, if I can hold it on, right, there you go. It's not touching the outside, it's got continuity through, from the centre pin, through the cable to the centre pin. I take it off, great. Right, then you need to check the big part of the connector, the silver part to the silver part. That's obviously easy, because you can just go like this. And you can see, that's got continuity. The third test is you connect the, you test between the gold pin and the outer. So you need to put that on the inner pin again without touching anything. It's very tricky to hold it on there. And then you put that onto the outer, and you shouldn't get any connection at all. That should be what we call open circuit. So you put that like that, there should be no connection at all. And you can do it on the other one as well. So we try it on that one too. And we've got no connection. There's no bleeping. The meter stays at one period. Okay, they're the 3 things to check. So once again, first test, the 2 inner to inner. There. Second part of the test, the outsides. Third test, between the outside and the inner. Okay, and that is it. And if those tests are like that, you've got a good cable.